Good afternoon, sir. Congratulations.
And a very, very good afternoon, Rahul. How are you?
Yeah, fine, sir. It was wonderful result of the
Super. Very
Yes.
grand
Yes,
results.
yes.
Super. All credit
Yes.
goes to the team and you, Mr.
Yes.
Suraj, Lokesh, and the entire team of the 3S Life.
Yeah. It was a full team support.
So
Yes.
I bought a sweet for you.
Okay, thank
So
you.
have a sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, look here.
Yeah, same to you.
Same to you.
Hmm.
Thank you. This is the sweet for grand celebration for the 2nd December OBE, where the Debosh IGC student. The results, I just have a seat here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Since morning,
Yes.
I have not taken my breakfast because I have getting multiple calls about the results.
The result is so awesome.
Yeah, really, it made me satisfied today.
Yes.
The hard work was what you people have been doing it since the first OBE to
Yes.
the December OBE. It shows the continuous and tremendous improvement on the performance of the 3S license. Wonderful.
Yeah, it is true. And number of distinction also increased this time.
Yeah, distinction if I see percentage of
Distinction people.
today's result,
Yes.
distinction result has really gone up and we have scored the highest score of two learners got 82 numbers. Very super.
Yeah. Really,
Very,
it was
very super.
It was a full team effort, 3 years Excel Academy effort. Yes, everyone support was there, so it happened like this. So I'm just getting the also phone call from the learners.
Okay.
They are telling that you're conducting some mock test series, and there that is something technique you are teaching. So what is that technique? People would like to know that. Yes.
Nothing technique as such. See, we believe in something in the genuine process. And today after the COVID, we have been in the different location and we are trying to bring the learners together on one platform to the online platform to the Zoom.
Yes.
So in previous pattern it was like teacher can able to see their homework.
Yes.
But here, we had to make them some practice, okay? Because the concept is totally changed. Syllabus is even same,
Yes.
but the concept as a scenario, no?
Yes.
See, your concept, your experience may be there, okay?
Yes.
But if you write your answer directly with your experience,
Yes.
that you may divert to your wrong answer, okay? Unless until you understand the whole scenario, no?
Yes.
Your answer cannot be completed.
You are telling to student how to read the scenario,
Exactly,
how to catch
exactly.
the keyword from the scenario,
Yeah.
and giving lot of time.
Exactly. See, when we end up the whole tutorial program, when we come closer to the
Yes.
examination day, just a few days before the examination day, we make them how to allocate your timing for 24 hours.
Okay.
So first, what we say, allocate your timing for initially 2 hours, depending upon your ability, because every learner has their own capacity.
Yes.
So what I mean to say, without understanding the whole, memorizing the whole scenario and the story, what is talking about, what is the negativity, what is the positivity all about.
Yes.
Without understanding the scenario, you should not step into the answer writing. Okay.
Okay. That is the way you are teaching and telling to
Yeah.
them.
That's one part.
Good.
And
Very nice.
prior to the examinations,
Yes.
we emphasizing all the learners. Okay. Many of them are very active, means very promptly.
Yes.
They are giving the multiple mock practices.
Yes.
We are sharing them the previous mock questions. Okay. Previous
OBs.
OB's questions.
Okay.
The OB question of the sample of the Nebosh, of the first OB, second OB, and we are making them to write and practice your answer, so that they will have some knowledge about how to extract the answer from the study material, how to extract the answer from the scenario, and how to join them together. So this is the only one
Technique you are
trick. Okay.
you are telling to
And
learners.
I always Nebosh is an open book examinations.
Yes.
But I am saying to the learners, it is an open brain examination.
Open brain. Oh, this is
Today, we as a learning partner, We are
Yes.
the 3S Lifestyle Academy. Okay, the efforts what you people have been putting it, really it is a very tremendous, appreciable
Yes.
as a whole entire team, backup support, and how the motivationally, how interactively, how you are taking the learners, huh?
Yes.
And we are available. We are making ourselves available all the time whenever they are putting the questions, whatever the help they require during this tutorials journey. We are giving all the supports. Okay, and that is the we need to continue that. Okay,
Yes.
and we need to find out other areas where we can improve upon. So this improvement is a continual improvement activities. So we can find out lots of things. I'm thinking of putting up some motivational theme also.
Good.
I'm working on it.
Okay, fine.
Making some video, so that the theme of the 3S Lifestyle Academy, so that during the tutorials we can run up on.
Yes.
So that
Commitment part of the
yeah.
top management commitment is very high.
Commitment and
that's why the full team can put the full positive culture.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, and the team motivation is also very high.
Yeah,
You can see every person who are associated with 3 years, they are highly motivated and dedicated,
that is true.
and they are working very hard for the benefit of the learner's success. That is visible today. Result is visible.
I really committed to each and every people of my organizations and the learners as well, because the motivation is one thing, okay, that will make you dead to alive.
Yes, that is also.
Motivation is one thing that
Yes.
will make you from dead to alive means it will make you wake up.
Yes.
See, the process, the before the examination day, every OB we are adhering till now. The last OB we have done it.
Yes.
So last OB was on 3rd of Feb.
3rd of the Feb, 2021.
Second Feb we did on motivational.
Yes.
So we are putting some one prayer. Okay.
Yes.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास. So this words, no.
Yes.
We as an Indian, this words, Hindi words is very catchy. Shakti means is the power, okay?
Yes.
You are praying to the God before the examination, okay? So collectively means we are bringing to all the learners and pray to the God and get the power, because that will make you mentally peace, okay?
Yes.
And the OBE required the mental peace during the examination, okay? Okay, that is very important. So that is also having a contribution for the results also. Because that process,
Yes.
every learner they appreciate that.
Yes, yes. Every learner is very happy with the process. As we are also getting a lot of calls. They are fully satisfied. They are telling they like this mock exam practice and the live sessions and during the class. also.
That was a live session. That was the creative of you people. Okay, so even in the live session, what we are doing it, we are making the tutor also is going to make the live answer. Okay,
In front of
the learners.
learners.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So the learners will tell, okay, give me the live answer for this particular questions. Okay.
Yes.
So tutor will give the live answering. Okay.
Yes. How to select the answer,
Really,
modify the answer, justify the answer
Justify the
with the questions. Yes, yes. Really, your support and guidance is really,
Support,
really very dedicated approach is there. Yes. So learners are getting a lot of benefits, and it's going to milestone in their career. Yes, and we're expecting more and better results in the future OBs, which already was declared for the next 1 year.
Very good, very
Yeah.
good. See,
So-
I'm as a whole, since my background of my family and everything, so we believe in genuinity, okay? And I always emphasize the learners to be genuine. Once you are a genuine, then you will get a good wishes from the God also to get a success, okay?
Yes.
And we are genuinely we are doing it in spite of lots many rumors, lots many things is happening in the market. We are not bothered about it. We are moving on our own method,
Yes.
on our own genuinity.
Yes.
The market is market where you have a bad and the good, but we are following the good path.
Yes.
There's
That
one
is
thing.
visible. That we also
That
feel
is
that
visible.
whenever we are associated with you, yeah, it is visible, and all the learners also appreciate that part.
That is the strength of our institutions. Okay.
Yes.
I'm looking more something more on the more better improved way and something more better way. So all I request of you, find out the means and ways wherever you find we can improve upon.
Yes.
Whatever, don't mean about the resources, everything is available.
Yes.
So I look for the better result. be genuine with the institute, be genuine with the learners, okay?
Yes.
That is one straight line, okay?
Yes.
I'm telling you about. If that is the part, is that nothing is going to stop you, okay, for the
Yes.
success, okay?
That is true. That is true.
so
That
true.
you can see that. Yes.
So that is one part.
Yes.
Otherwise, okay. See, if I see the result of this December OB, it really made me and made us really thrilled today, and we are
Yes.
very happy.
Yeah.
And this is a message to all the learners who have been associated with 3S Life Academy. I heartily congratulate to those learners.
Yes.
Ah.
I also congratulate to everyone.
Uh,
Yes.
This is the message to this interview, and all the learners who have made our pride, okay, our collar high, okay,
Yes.
collar high, and bagging the distinctions, okay,
Yes. That is
okay,
true.
and
Yes.
bagging lots many learners. Even numbers have been increased.
Yes.
Distinction number have been increased.
Yes.
The credit learners have been increased. Pass
Yes.
learner percentages have been increased.
Yes.
Really superb, and if you see the percentage wise,
Yes.
close to 90% IG2 learners have been cleared the
Yeah.
IG2.
The first attempt.
66% of the IG1 learners have cleared their examination,
Yes.
except a few.
Yes.
And there's almost 17% learners they have got the distinctions
Okay.
out of the
17%.
17%.
Yes.
And 29% learners they have got the credit
Credit
score.
score. Yes.
And 54% learners they have got the all passed, okay.
Passed. Yes.
So overall, I talked to many learners. It was a good praise to the tutors.
Yes.
Okay, my feedback given by from the learners, it was a real appreciable about Rahul, yourself, and the Suraj and the Lokesh and the whole team.
Yes.
It is a like life is a nut and bolt.
Yes.
I might have told you earlier also.
Hmm.
So nut and bolt is the life, okay.
Yes. Yes.
Life cannot be nut cannot have a life without nut.
Yes.
Bolt
Yes.
bolt cannot have a life without nut.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
like a joining
It's a
hand
journey.
together.
So, like student cannot be a student without a tutor, okay?
Without
Tutor
the
cannot
learning
be a
partner
tutor.
also.
Tutor
Yes.
cannot be their tutor without students.
Without
okay?
a student.
So, good tutors create the good students,
Yes.
okay?
And
So,
good student also create
they're good
makes a
tutors.
good tutor.
Good tutors also. It's a combination. Of.
We would like to give the credit. I would like to the learners' hard work and their dedication, because they are coming forward to do the education, certification part, and they put their night effort. So that is also
That is
their
good.
part is also really appreciable, and they are also want to this education, and they want to continue the career in this health and safety field, OHS field. I have seen that maximum learners are really dedicated. Yes, and they are putting their full effort. They are putting it with the help of the guidance of you, yes, and other team members. So really, we may expect the next OB which happened more and more better and better result.
Exactly.
And
We are
we will
looking-
wish for everyone from my side.
Yeah,
Yes.
we cannot produce 100%. Yeah, but if we are producing, I told you like personally, if we are, our result is anything close to 60% plus, no,
Hmm.
I may say it is a good result.
Yeah.
A good result overall as a learning partner is in a very difficult to any institutions. For institution like running this OB examinations genuine way,
Yes.
getting the result close to 70-80% is a very tough, okay?
Yes.
And going to 100% is like sometimes looks highly impossible. We had a big stake in the sense, we have a big corporate actually, students, learners,
Yes,
because we have a student, couple of students from the Indian Institute of Science, okay?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Couple of students from the RMZ, which is one of the best the providing all those software
Amenities,
and
utilities,
tech park,
tech parks.
tech
Yes,
park,
yes.
utilities and
Yes.
administrative team.
Yes.
We had people from the on the NL green power, okay, that is
Yes.
the energy formation.
Yes.
From it. So and there's a people from the airport also, from the Bangalore International Airport.
Yes.
So really that today all these three Indian Institute of Science learners, everybody has passed successfully.
Yes. Yes.
And that RMZ also they have passed very
Yes.
well. Okay. And this airport also they cleared very well. Okay.
Good. Yeah.
So it's good. It's good. That is where it is a good. See, getting the result, better result, then you
Yes.
get a better learners also in the future. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, more learners may come.
Yeah.
They may attend this qualification.
Was like
Hmm.
is like a very high weighted
Yeah.
and it is a gold certificate in the field of the occupational health.
Health and safety. Yes. Yeah,
It has a gold value means
Yes.
like gold you can encash okay in
Yes.
anywhere okay.
Yes, yes.
Taking this certificate, you are getting this certificate with your hard work.
Hard work. They are putting and enjoying the success
So you will
after
have
getting
you
this
see the
certificate.
importance of this certificate once you receive
Yes.
in your hand, no?
Yes.
You will see, you will touch it to your heart, okay?
Yes.
You will touch it to your heart that, oh,
Yes.
I got, I achieved my dream, okay?
Yes. Hmm.
If
Very
some,
true.
something,
Yes.
something if you are getting very easily, no, okay,
Hmm.
oh, very good, happy,
Hmm.
okay, no problem,
Yes.
okay. But
Yeah.
something if you, something you put a
Put the
hard
time,
work, okay?
dedication,
And
hard
then you
work.
will touch it to your hearts, okay?
Yes.
So NABOS certificate is something, is touching to the heart,
Yes.
okay?
Hmm.
That much of the value and the importance and the affections
Yeah,
of
with
the
the-
each and learners, okay?
That is the-
That much of value. They keep attached with the heart, okay?
Yes.
Because they put the efforts to get this certificate,
Yes.
okay?
That is the dedicated.
And that is the reason the globally the NABOS has the importance and the value and the weightage of that
Of
certificate.
certificate.
Because this is a touching to your heart, okay?
Yes.
Because you are
Going
taking
to
it,
earn.
you are
Yeah, they are
owning
going-
it with your hard work, okay?
Yes. That's why they are getting it.
Uh-huh.
Not simply.
Not
just-
simply paying the money. you
Not
cannot
not
do
like
it.
that. Yeah. They are putting it. So it is all effort. I will repeat that due to the team and the 3 years lifesaver team management support. Learner is always there. Yeah, due to learner we also exist. Yes, but their support is very undoubtedly support is there. So I will say thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Good,
Yes,
good,
you are
and
really-
God bless you
Yes.
and keep creating the good results, okay?
Yeah, all
And,
due to support of the team.
Okay.
Yes, for the management
So-
support, your support, man support, it is there for the learners for us.
Okay.
That's why we expect better, more and more better result, more number of distinction, more credits. Maybe in the one day our institute may have the global topper also for the NABOS. Yes, thank you. I will say thank you.
Thank you so much,
Yes.
Rahul. Okay,
Yes.
very good, super.